The air conditioning system maintains the air in the pressurized compartments at the desired level of temperature and freshness. A constant selected temperature is provided for the cockpit, forward, mid and aft cabins and bulk compartment. Air distribution through pressurized areas is provided for delivering conditioned air to the main compartments, delivering hot air to the cargo compartments, heating the other pressurized areas using air extracted from the 4 main compartments, and ventilating and cooling different parts of the aircraft. The controls and monitoring equipment are located in the cockpit. The main air sources are the engines, or APU, supplying the hot air, and the 2 air conditioning packs supplying the cooled air. On the ground, it's possible to use a low-pressure ground cart to supply air at a fixed temperature instead of using an on-board supply. The hot air supply can be from either both engines or the APU. Select the cold air source to see how redundancy is ensured. The cold air can either come from the packs or a ram air inlet located near the packs. The 2 packs are independent, and should one fail, the remaining pack can supply sufficient cooled air to maintain air conditioning. If automatic control should fail, then the temperature in the cabin zones can be controlled manually.